What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to use Monday.com for project management. Monday.com is a great platform in order to manage and organize your projects and work, and you can even use it for your personal life as well to manage like your expenses, your budget and your tasks, your personal tasks and so on. And you can collaborate with teammates or like colleagues from work to manage your projects together and manage your tasks. Here I am on the Monday website, so that's monday.com, and I can go ahead and log in if I do have an account, or click on get started to create an account for free. So I already have an account, and that's how it looks like once you sign up. Like you have your main dashboard here, you have on the left you have the main tab, so the home and my work, and you have your workspaces. So what monday.com allows you to do is to create many workspaces, and each workspace you can add like different boards or documents, and within the boards you have different lists and tasks that you can edit and create. So here is the main workspace, and of course I haven't added any boards or anything. And you can even add members to any board to collaborate with and edit the tasks. I'll show you that in a bit. And you can add apps, I'll show you that too. And here if I click on the photo at the top right, I can view my settings, so my profile, the data and trash, the teams, administration, and I can also log out. So let's add a new board and view how it works. So here I've created a new test workspace, so you can create as many workspaces as you like. Okay, so from here you open the drop down menu for the workspace, and you can click on add workspace, and here you can name a workspace and add it. I don't want to do this for now, so I'll just work on the test workspace that I created. And when you have the workspace open, you can add new items, so boards, documents, and new dashboard and so on. You can choose from templates, and you can create a new board from scratch. And also here it says the workspace is empty, so you can create a new board from a template or start from scratch. Actually, let's view the templates. So I click on templates here, and here you have many templates you can choose from that are like categorized by the project type. So you have content production, project management, design, freelancers, HR, and so on. So let's go ahead and view the project management templates and choose from them. Okay, looking good. Let's say I like this one with the list and the cards view, so I'll click on it, and then it will give me like an overview of the templates and the description and some screenshots. I can click on use template. It'll take a moment to load the template, and once it does, here the template is loaded, and I have here the like default view of the boards where I have my tasks here, my different tasks which I can edit. And you can notice that the tasks are categorized into groups, so Q1, Q2, and so on. So let's say I want to rename this board to like my finance, to organize my finance and my budget and my spendings and so on. And you can name the groups to different like categories of your spending. So let's rename this one to groceries, and here like bills and so on. And within the group you have many tasks that you can add item, that means add task, and you can view the owner or assign the task to someone else. If you already added a team, you can add team members from here, invite members. You can click and then enter the email of the person you want to invite, and then invite them to this board. You can even edit the priority of each task. So like I can add a task. Let's say buy milk. So this task I can add a priority, so this task is high, medium, low, and you can even edit labels to add a new priority. So let's add a new label here, and we can name it like urgent. Okay, and apply. So this is an urgent task. Okay, and you can add a domain if you want. You can add a tier, and you can also add like a date, so a timeline for this task here. So like a from and to, so like from the September 17th to like October 1st, for example. Okay, and you can even like set here a visual representation of the dates that you can view your task from. And here you have the status, so we have many statuses here, so done, working on it, stuck, and not started. We can also edit, click on edit labels to add a new status, so like almost done, and we can change the color to like a pink color. Okay, and then apply, so like almost done. And you can add like different columns, so I can add a column for like status, text, people, date, numbers, formula, checkbox, and so on. I can add even files to this specific task, and I can view like different views. So here is the main table view, the main basic view. I can view on the I click on the Kanban view here to view like lists and cards, and here I can scroll here to view the different lists. So here they are categorized by like doneness, so status or working on it, done, stuck, not started, and so on. Okay, here the buy milk task that I added is in almost done. I can here click on the task itself or the card itself to view the different settings. So these are the same settings that were in the default view, the default like table view. I can edit them, and any edits I make will be reflected instantly on each view. So if I change the priority, for example, to medium, the priority setting will be changed instantly in this view, so in the card and in the Kanban like view. And if I go to the main table here, the main view, you will see here that the priority also changes. So any change that we make in any view will be updated on all of the views because they are all views of the same board. And I can like go ahead and for the status, I can edit it from within the card here. So almost done and done, not started, and so on. Or I can drag and drop the card itself here to like not started. And if I click on the card here, you will find that the status changed to not started. Okay, and I can even here like click I can in the updates here I can add comments, so like almost done. Okay, click update, and you can add files. You can view the activity log, and any person that you can invite to view or edit this dashboard can also view the comments and write them and reply to them and like react to them with emojis and so on, and can edit anything for the card that I did right now. So here I can also open the view in full screen to view it better, and I can go and view the settings for this view. Okay, the settings here, I can like show the different like settings. So I can show here the priority, the domain, the tier, the scope, and so on. And here I can create as many boards as I like and like assign different persons to different boards. And I can also view the different views here. So I've already viewed the Kanban view, and here's the current quarter view. And I can add views, so like a table view, a Gantt view, a chart view. So let's add like a chart view. Of course, the chart view is like for data and numbers and statistics and so on. And and because of that, there are no results here to like show in the chart view. So let's go back to the Kanban view, and each view we can click on the three dots here to rename, duplicate, or delete the view. So I'll delete the chart view since I don't need it. And also for each board here we can hover over the name and view the three dots. If we click on them, we can rename the board or move it to a different workspace. We can change the board type and add favorites, duplicate, delete, and archive. And so that's how easy it is to collaborate with members, or even if you want to manage your own projects, so at work or your personal life, on monday.com with the different views and the different tools that you have on this platform.